Hello, in this short lecture I will talk about the most fundamental structure of matter. Actually, there are 17 elementary particles, as you can see in this picture, and every elementary particle has its antiparticle. So in total we have 17 elementary particles and 17 elementary antiparticles. And the 17 elementary particles consist of 12 elementary matter particles, as you can see here. We have 6 quarks in the purple color and 6 leptons in the green color. So we have in total 12 elementary matter particles that are also called fermions. In addition, we have the 4 elementary force particles in the red color that are also called bosons, and those elementary force particles actually carry the 4 fundamental forces in nature. The first force particle is gluon, that carries the strong nuclear force that is actually binds the protons together in the nucleus of the atom. And actually we have 8 types of gluons. And then we have the photon particle that carries the electromagnetic force that explain how charged particles interact with each other. And then we have boson Z and boson W that carry the weak nuclear force that is responsible for the radioactive decay of atoms. And actually we have 2 types of boson W. So in total we have 12 types, 12 force elementary particles, because we have 8 types of gluon, 1 type of photon, 1 type of boson Z, and 2 types of boson W. So in total is 12 elementary particles. And we have also the 13th elementary force particle, actually that carry the gravitational force. It is not in this table, and it is called the graviton, that carry the gravitational force. And the gravitational force is actually the reason that every 2 objects in the universe with a mass are attracted to each other, and the force of the attraction is proportional to the product of the masses of the objects divided by the square of the distance between them. Okay, and the 17th elementary particle is boson X. As I've already explained, it gives the other particles their mass, except of the gluon and the photon that have 0 mass, doesn't have mass at all. Okay, so we can say that the basic building blocks of the matter are the atoms. Okay, and a group of atoms that are bound together in a chemical bond is called a molecule. An example of molecule is the water molecule, that is the formula of H2O. It is actually two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen atom that bonds together and creates the water molecule. Okay, and actually in the atom itself we have electrons that orbit around the center of the atom, and in the center of the atom we have the nucleus that consists of protons and neutrons, and the number of protons in the nucleus determines which chemical element it is. For example, the atom of oxygen has 8 protons in its nucleus, while the hydrogen atom has only 1 proton in its nucleus. Okay, so in the nucleus we have the protons and the neutrons, and they themselves are not elementary particles because they consist of quarks. As I've already showed you, we have 6 types of quarks, as you can see in the purple color, and these 6 quarks are elementary particles out of the 17 elementary particles that we know that exists. Okay, thank you very much.